Adding products to your Drupal Commerce store is easy, but setting up your product types is a bit more involved. This video series will walk you through the process, starting with creating product attributes. Our goal is to set up a new hat product type. As you can see from these photos, customers will need to choose a color. To start, I'll go to the Commerce menu, then click Product Attributes. Here we see a list of each attribute already added into our store. To add another, click Add Product Attribute. We'll start by entering an attribute name. Then, under Element Type, we'll select how to display the options on the product page. I'll leave as Select List. We'll be creating a new product variation type for our hat later, so I can't select it yet. All I need to do now is save the attribute to continue. Now we can add the attribute options that our customers will be able to select. Simply enter the name and add additional values as required. There we go. I'll save the changes and move on. Our new hat color attribute has been added to the list. Attributes can be any options that the customer might need to select in order to buy a product, such as color, size, package quantity, etc.